Hello guys, welcome to my car madness. In today's video we have a Peugeot Expert and we're going to reset the service light. This is on a 66 plate. What you have to do is press and hold the check button, switch the ignition on and wait for the countdown. And I will also show you where the OBD plug is and the pollen filter on this vehicle. So if you just bear with me a second, we'll let the countdown process through. That's done. Ignition off. Switch the van on. Service light's been cleared. And now for the OBD plug, is on this van, is on this side. The string. This string goes there. You pull this string off, you will see your OBD plug. And for the pollen filter on this vehicle, the best thing for you to do is pull this plastic down and put your hand from this way to get access to it, which is all the way in there at the back, because it's too much work to remove this plastic frame here. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.